Oh. I think I'm live, but I can't see what's happening. Oh, there we go. We are live. Live. So that is downloading. Let me share some things. And then I can get going. Share. Copy link, fine, whatever. Okay, so now I'm going to share on Facebook. And then I'm going to share. That's weird. Bear with me. Okay, I cannot look at myself on YouTube. That's going to throw me off. I'm going to look at myself here. Sorry, Patrice. I'm just going through the videos. I know you see yourself here. So I'm going to go back to the page. Oh, shoot. It's so hard to see this when it's so small. Okay. So what we are doing, we are... I'm testing OBS. I just got done doing Twitch. I'm gonna do YouTube now. BS. Okay. Sorry, I just gotta share because I'm always sharing. Okay, so there's that, and then so, sorry, I have a cold, not COVID. Just keep that in mind. Okay, so I'm gonna just do a few things. I'm gonna get started. I wish, which now I see the challenges that everybody's going through. I wish I can just like stream and it goes everywhere. But I'll deal with that a different day. Testing OBS on YouTube. Okay, so that, and then that, and then that. I just, okay, bear with me, just doing a few things. This is harder than it looks. This is way harder than it looks. Okay, so now I'm back. Let me look at a few things. Oh. Duck Lemonade, I'm paying attention. I see you. Okay. So, okay. So, what I'm just doing is I'm just going through old videos, which for some reason, I don't know why I can't scroll on this page. But what I'm doing is reacting to old videos. And we're just going to see how this goes. Okay, let me
create an app that you can push to the Apple Store or to Google Play. You can select a tab-based app. You can create a side menu-based app.
Okay. I forgot what I was doing. I don't even... Wait, I'm missing stuff. I'm missing things. I guess it's different with YouTube. Okay. With Twitch, I can see the chat in my dashboard. I can like edit stuff. I can do a lot more on Twitch than I can with YouTube. But that's fine. Like with YouTube, I have to keep scrolling back and forth to see what's going on, and that's a little weird. It's fine. I could do it. Okay, so what is
Or
this?
you
I don't
can
even
use
know.
a conference type of app
This
where
is
you
when I
have
fell in love with
side
Ionic.
menus, tabs, and
I
all
was
the
really
different things
like,
that you
this
can
is going
use
to be my
in
tool.
a mobile app. You can use Ionic with Angular or React. If you know
I
HTML.
was really into code. I was really into code. I don't know why I don't see. I want to find my older stuff. Oh, Duck Lemonade. Remember this? Oh wait, I can't even like see your response. Or maybe I can minimize this and then do this. Yay! Remember that this was so cool. I'm so proud. I am so proud. Proud parent. My watch is running out of juice. I love it. I love it. I love it. That's my baby. I'm so proud. So, I don't think that was mine, but so I did a lot of this. I did a lot of like, I did a lot of using Adobe. It's not COVID, it's a code. I use a lot of, I use Adobe Spark for a lot of the videos or a lot of the clips that I shared back then. And I don't even think this is that old. This was 2 years ago. Oh wait, replay that. Funny enough. Oh my god. I rove it. Is I rove it. Oh my god. Even I'm sweating and there's a fan like literally right on me. I don't know if I'm sweating from like nervousness or if I'm like actually hot. But I'm cracking up at this clip right here because I've been trying to sell the same thing for years. Like, let me get into your business so I can recommend what can make your life easier. I do that a lot. I do that. It's so hard to see the chat. I don't have the Rovit. But so 2 years ago, I was trying to give people a list of things that they could use to make their stuff better. And it cracks me up because for so long I was trying to figure out like what is my thing? What is my thing? And back then I was actually doing more web design than anything else. And I spent recently like a whole 3 weeks like cracking my brain trying to figure out like what am I passionate about? And like it turns out even when I was doing other stuff, I kept sharing the stuff I was passionate about. Um, Subconsciously, I was just like, I'm going to share about this thing and I'm going to share this tool and I'm going to do this thing, I'm going to do that. And I think what I was screwing up, open my window. I could. I could do that. I should do that. I'll do that later. But I was always doing what I was passionate about. I think my messaging was just really off because I was pushing the wrong services. So it's just really funny to see that video. So let's see. What is this? Those are my shoes. That was when we lived. Okay, I remember that. I remember. So if you want to have a more branded look on your feed when it comes to your IG. Pause. Pause. Class. What is a more branded look? Do we know? No one knows. What is that? What was I talking about? What was I referring to? What is a more branded look that makes 0 sense. Cohesive, could have been a thing. Um, a well put together look. What is a more branded look? A branded is not even a branding. Is not even a look. It's your messaging. It's what people take away from your business. What do you want to be known as? Like I was always known as the tech person, like no matter what, like, and not even like the design person, because like there's some people out there, they are great at design. Design is what they do. Design is their life. All that stuff. Me, software is my thing. Learning about different tools, like me learning about this OBS, like this is, I'm just like, yes, like that's how I feel about technology. So like it's my thing. But I don't know why I said branded. Like that was weird. I didn't know what branding was.
Your video, one thing you can do is prep your images ahead of time, so that way when you upload your video to IGTV, instead of choosing a frame that you recorded, you can add from your camera roll, select the photo that you made in either Canva or a different editing tool, and then post that to your feed. So when people see your
I'm not laughing at myself. I'm laughing at something I saw while watching myself. Oh, yep, Chloe, you could go. It's fine. Oh my god. Can you guess what I'm laughing at? Let's see if I can scroll back. Oh no, I can't scroll back. I'm gonna have to be quick. Twitter fingers are gonna be quick to pause. So boom. I'm sorry. I can't. I am very childish. Once you get to know me, I am very childish. What is that? And why was I recording? I was not paying attention. I was like, just get the video out.
they will see the image.
But what I'm saying is actually legit. So, and it still applies to today, because what happens is when you record videos, when you record reels, when you record videos on Instagram, it's going to capture the first frame, and you might not look your greatest in the first frame, and you might have like a series of IGTVs that you can post, and you can have a more cohesive look if those clips, those reels, those IGTVs, those videos, if they all have similar looks. Like for example, outfit of the day. Like you could be recording a video of the outfit of the day, and you might be in different poses for each one. But if you prepare ahead of time, do a classic pose, same pose every time, different clothes, and then put a label on it or whatever you want people to take away from the video, put that over it, and then you can upload it to your IGTV, so that way when people come to your profile, they can scroll through and look, and almost like a catalog. When you go to shop, like these are the dresses, these are the shoes, these are this. You almost want to treat your your Instagram profile the same way. You want to have it like a catalog. I don't do that because it takes too long. I need to do that, so I'm gonna take a mental note. I used to do it all the time, but and you don't have to like go that far with like getting dressed, doing a pose, all this stuff. Like in the example that I used, I just created like a picture in Canva with text, and I just uploaded that. Like that works too. But I think I used, oh no, that's fine. Like I had a bad habit. Like if you see, you can't see my mouse. And if you were to look, I can't even zone it. How do I do this? How do I do this? Okay. Well, if you look at the middle of this profile, I had a bad habit of using a lot of text on my profile, and like that was really bad. I'm close. I almost did that recently, and I had to catch myself. So yeah, that was really interesting. Let's see if I can find another. What is? I cannot see. I'm so busy looking at myself that I can't even see what I'm doing. Okay.
Hey everybody, so welcome to our weekly
pause. What was I doing in my hair?
content challenge. This will also
We're gonna try this. What was I doing? Let me put this down for a second. Here, this turned from tech tutorial, hey Chloe, to hair tutorial. So I needed my hair out of my face. So I think what I used to do, oh my God. Let's see if I can do this. Okay. There we go. There we go. There we go. That's the look. Hey, that's what we're going for, right? Close. Close. Close to what I was doing back then. Just gonna leave that there for a moment.
day 6 of 100 days of value because I'm lazy and I'm not going to come to your topics. And also this piece of value is a good piece of value. It's something good. So, your tip to kind of spread out your content. You should. This is especially for those who are.
Did it literally just do 2 seconds of me talking? I was like, this is the tip. Goodbye. Goodbye. Okay, I'm gonna take this down because this is a little weird. I'm just gonna readjust what I was doing. Okay, this, boom, boom, back to normal. One day I'm gonna have a webcam set up so you're not moving with me as I adjust myself. I tried to do my own little like studio area. Fail. One day I might show that. Okay, so now we're back on here. Videos, and then let me see. Oh, there's 3 people here. Hello, 3 people. Hello, 3 people. Let me do a recap. I'm a he. Y'all know that. Or do you? Do you know who I am? But founder of Geek Empowered Content Development Services. Specialize in Google, social media, that type of stuff. I am reviewing old videos. I cannot scroll on this page and it drives me up a wall. It really does. It really drives me up a wall. So I gotta keep clicking and I hate doing that. This
Ionic start and then
pause scroll. This pause scroll. So what I'm doing is I'm reacting to really now you scroll? I'm reacting to old Facebook videos. I might switch it and react to old YouTube videos, but we'll see how that goes. SEO. So I'm always talking about SEO. Pause. What am I saying? Need to quickly boost your SEO. Add your social media links to all your website. Yes. Okay. Social media is really great with SEO. Like if you have done 0 SEO work and you look at if you go to Google right now and you Google your business and you have not done any SEO, more than likely your social media pages will show before anything else. Like social media is really big with SEO because you're constantly posting on social media, especially on your business pages or your IG, all that stuff. And each of those things are a link. So if you have 500 posts that you have posted in the last 2 to 3 years, that's 500 links that you have tied to that business. So what you want to do is on your website, you want to be able to link as many things as possible. There are some rules to it, which I need to look up on because these rules are changing all the time, because you can get in trouble for doing I forget what it was. It was something that you can get in trouble for, but it was basically plugging in external links, or I can't remember. But anyway, what you want to do is on your home page, your about page, your contact page, and not just on the footer, you want to add those social media links to your website because it will help increase your SEO. And there's other things that you can do on your website too, like linking, and not just in a menu, but linking or referring to other pages in your website on the page. Like, for example, if you go to your about, you're like, hey, I'm Ahi, Geek Empowered, content development. This is what I do. Contact me here. And in the here, you can link that link. You can link that. Blah, blah, blah. You can link that link to geekempowered.com/contact me or something like that. Oh, hey, hey, Chloe. I'm like, what is going on? I saw my name. I'm like, what is happening? It won't let me do the side video thing. I don't know what that means. I don't know what it means. I don't know what that means. And then what am I looking at? So, sorry, had to pause real quick to figure out what's going on. Okay. So, let's see. Um, let's talk photos. So for my stock photos, I use Pexels, Pexels. And with Pexels, one thing that you can do from your phone is you can find an image that you like, you can share it by its URL, and put it in a collection of photos. So for this example, I'm going to use Pinterest, because with Pinterest, you can visually see how all the different photos match together and how they connect with your brand. So for this one, I'm going to create a new board called Black Women Stock Photos. Pretty simple. And once you add it there, it's saved. You don't have to worry about it. You don't have to worry about storing it somewhere. And next time you go on Pinterest, you can see all your different collections. You can see where your photos are being saved. And so it's a good tip, but I don't do this. I don't do this anymore. So what do I do? So when I do need a bunch of photos, the best way that I do it is through Google. I just do a Google Drive. Like, that's the easiest thing, because with clients, like they might have specific, like I had clients who wanted very specific photos. Like that happens more often than you think. Um, I have had a client where they could not show kids' faces, like other kids' faces, without having permission to show their face. So I had to be really careful about that. And then there was two clients. It was the one that I couldn't show kids' faces, and then there was another where I couldn't show like volunteers' faces without their permission. And then I also been in a situation where the client had their own photos, and I had to figure out how to utilize those photos. Um, that could be tricky sometimes, because I like to, when I'm designing, I like to work with a certain color palette, and photos have color palettes to them. Um, and if you can learn more about that, funny enough, through Pinterest. Um, and that's where I learned about it too. So photos have, like, if you took a picture of my screen right now, it'll be a very ugly photo palette, or it'll be a very ugly palette, but it'll be a palette nonetheless. Wait, what happened? I feel sad because you're really excited about the live and no one's really joined. That's fine, Chloe. People don't have to join, because um, what happens is one. Oh wait, am I recording? No. Okay. Well, one, I am now recording, so I will have a copy of this that I can use. For other things. And then two, it's my first time doing this, so don't feel sad. Um, and I see people popping in and out, so that is a good thing too. And then also, this will still stay on YouTube after I'm done recording, so that's fine. I just need to. I could probably. Okay, yeah, I'll be fine. Don't worry. I don't get sad by those things, Chloe. You have to stay consistent and just keep going. And what I'm learning is, okay, I've been recording for 24 minutes. What I learned is I'm going to do small clips of going live on YouTube or reacting to stuff. I don't even know if I need to stream. You know what? Whatever. I'm talking to myself about strategy. Anyway, um, I lost track. Oh, clients. I had people want me to use their images, and then I had people request like a certain type of images that they show, which led to some really difficult stuff. Like I learned the hardest thing to search for online, especially when it comes to stock photos, are black women in healthcare. That is very difficult to look for. Black women, period, are very difficult to look for. So, Pexels. Oh, I could react to dumb videos. I could react to bad TikToks and stuff. Not COVID, not Rovit. It's a code. Oh, well, my content, Chloe, is geared towards people who need help with these tools that I'm talking about. Like I'm talking about Pinterest, I'm talking about Google, I'm talking about analytics, I'm talking about SEO. So this is specifically for um, business owners who are struggling in those areas because a lot of people post their content and they're putting things out there, but it's not reaching, like for example this video is not reaching as many people as it should be reaching. So I help other people. um I wrote this down. I help people get the impressions that they need, or the views, as many views, eyes, whatever that they need for their business. So that's what I do, Chloe. So it's not exactly I could do what everybody else is doing, like reacting to TikTok, reacting to YouTube videos, that type of stuff. But my content is geared for a specific audience. And I think what I need to do, and this is a test run. I keep saying this. This is a test run. This is not for people to join. This is me testing OBS and seeing what type of series and stuff I can make out of this. So yeah, so that's fine. Hey, and now you're here. Oh, you're gonna use those. Okay. Yeah. Are you okay? Okay. I love you. I'm about to end it soon because it's been 30 minutes. 30 minutes is always my cap. All right. Bye, everybody. I'm a do these more often, way more often now that I know how to do this. And I can actually record this without going live. I just got to figure out where I'm storing these videos. So I'm excited. Thank you, everybody who joined. I appreciate it. And